Ayan guys, let's go. Tingnan natin yung 2BR model unit naman guys. Dress up ulit guys. Kanina 1BR. Kaya with issue managers guys. Ayan. TCP sir. TCP po.
One is ranging from 8 to 7 million.
Wow. Okay. Bank financing pa rin po. And pag-ibig. Okay. Okay, guys. 2BR naman to guys. Dress up. Ayan.
So pag may ba draping dito natin
model house pinaka-ano na rin natin to. Ayan, okay. Ito yung dress up guys. Okay.
Ay, hindi na po kami dito.
Dito may office din dito sir.
Ayun po yung call.
So sir, pag mga may bayan ka na, magre-reserve dito din?
Dito na rin po yung office natin. Wow, okay. Hindi na tayo lalayo, di ba? Then, tripping vehicle po. I-grab. Hindi ako na lang mag-grab, sir. Okay, di ba? Oh, sir, bawaligaan po. Ayan, guys. 2BR to, guys. Dress up. Okay. Ayan siya, guys. 2BR, no. Hindi to ganito yung turnover, guys. Yung 1BR. Ito lang po yung kumbaga para may idea kayo mga. So, okay.